Hi guys, it's Miss Santana with the quote of the day. I'm here from first grade. I have a quote for you, and this one is about respecting yourself. Remember, nobody else is going to respect you unless you respect yourself first. You are special. That's true. Not princess special, but special that you're a human being with feelings. Okay? You deserve the best. That's true too. You do deserve the best. Never accept put-downs by others towards you. What does that mean? That means if somebody's being rude to you, you need to make sure that your feelings are okay. And if your feelings are telling you that's not okay, you need to stand up for yourself and say, hey, dude or dudette, that's not okay. That's part of respecting yourself and being okay with what's going on around you. So, friends, respect yourself, and everybody around you will respect you too. Good job, friends. Have a great day.